Hi, welcome to your channel, The Ancients. I'm your host, Dr. Moore M. Ghosh, and I'm a Vastu and numerology expert. The video I bought for you today is about how to improve the positive energies in your residence manifold. Friends, all of us know that in our residences and our offices, there is a culmination of positive energies and negative energies. When negative energies are in abundance more than the positive energies, what happens is you see a lot of conflict, irritability, you see there is a loss of wealth, you will notice sudden unfortunate incidents. When negative energies tend to overcome the positivity in the residence, there will be increased difficulties at the residence. If the positive energies are enhanced and the negative energies are minimized, what will be the effect? The effect will be that you will see enhanced prosperity, good bonding between the children and parents, love and affection between the couples, good health, increase in flow of wealth, purchasing of household items, celebration of multiple fortunate events, and happiness. All of us would like to ensure that we enhance the positivity at our residence. Now, how do we go about doing this is what I will be sharing with you in today's video with you. Friends, before we go on, let me share with you that I started this channel, The Ancients, in 2021 to share with all of you the essence of astrology, numerology and Vastu, so that you and your family members can live a life filled with good health, prosperity, invite success into your homes, enjoy harmonious relationships with your near and dear ones, and also ensure that you have peace of mind, which is a major blessing in today's turbulent times. Please do subscribe to the channel and also share these videos with your friends and family so that they too can enjoy the benefits of these informative videos. Coming back to our topic, what do you have to do to enhance the positivity at your residence? I'm sure all of us have a puja room or a puja place at our homes and offices. A simple tip, very simple, very effective to enhance the positivity of your homes and offices manifold is to every day keep a copper vessel. I repeat again, it should only be a copper vessel. Do not use any other vessel like plastic and glass. If you can afford, then you can also go on to a silver vessel or a gold vessel. You have three options: copper, silver and gold. Only these three type of vessels should be used. Do not use plastic and glass vessels. Fill it with water every day and do your prayers. And let the water remain in the vessel overnight. The puja room is a source of positive energies enhances the positivity. When you do pujas, aartis, burn camphor, say prayers in the puja room, positivity is enhanced tremendously. And this positivity is absorbed by the water in the copper, silver or gold vessel. When you sleep overnight, the water in the puja room in this respective vessels keeps absorbing the positivity. When you get up the next morning, just before doing your prayers, after you have purified yourself with a bath, sprinkle this water filled with positivity throughout your residence. At your main door, at your drawing room, in your kitchen, in the puja room, in the bedrooms, in the study room, at the verandas. Sprinkle it everywhere in minute quantities. You will notice enhancement of the positive energies at your residence. You will notice happiness start flowing into your house. You will notice increase in your wealth, increase in your prosperity. You will notice that your relationships with your friends, family and near ones is enhanced. You will notice an enhanced peace of mind. You will notice that when you are sitting at home, you feel joy, satisfaction, a feeling of abundance. This is the power of the positivity and the positive energies in your puja room. I will repeat it again for you so that you get a gist of what you need to do. Before puja, every day fill a copper, silver or gold vessel with water. Thereafter do your pujas. Light camphor, agarbatti, diyas filled with ghee. Do your prayers, say your prayers. This charges the water in the vessel with positivity and positive energy. It absorbs it. And when you let it remain throughout the night, it becomes abundantly filled with positive energies. The next day, after your bath, take this vessel and sprinkle this water throughout your home. And you would have blessed your home and family. The positive energies in this water will ensure that your home is blessed with good health, prosperity, harmonious relationships with your loved ones, abundance of health, peace of mind, reduction in enmity, and enhanced career growth. Friends, once again I request you to kindly like these videos, subscribe to the channel The Ancients, and also share these videos with your friends and family so that they too can, based on the essence of astrology, numerology and Vastu which I share with you on this your very own channel The Ancients, can get the benefits of this ancient knowledge and fill their homes too with good health, wealth, success, peace of mind, abundance, prosperity, and enjoy harmonious relationships with their friends and family. Till we meet again with another very informative video on your very own channel, The Ancients. Good luck, all the best, stay safe.